And I'm so excited about this one. It is the Delvaux Tempo, their newest launch, and I just added to my Brillant collection. It actually comes in 5 colors, and I went for the black and silver. Super chic, super versatile. What really drew me in is how relaxed it feels, but still so practical. The Allure calf leather is softer than the classic Brilliant, so the shape feels more fluid, more laid back. I love that vibe. It has 2 handles, which makes it really easy to wear on the shoulder or just carry by hand. And it's the perfect size for commuting or even on a plane. It fits my laptop and everything I need for work. Even though the leather is soft, the bottom has the supportive trim that keeps the structure. Such a smart touch. But what surprised me most is the double zip layer. I can reach for things inside without even opening the flap. The design details are so thoughtful, like you can tuck the flap back if you want to keep it open when using it as a handheld, and the front buckle has a little track hook and a magnetic pin so it stays perfectly in place. There are just so many little surprises in the design, practical but still very elegant. It's actually bigger than a Birkin 35, but way lighter. The black and silver combo is just so cool. I can't wait to style it for work, travel, and everyday looks. Honestly, it's one of those bags that just makes sense. Easy, effortless, and beautifully made.